In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap the X and Y axis of a graph in Google Sheets. This can be incredibly useful if you've realized your data is better suited with the axes switched, or if you just need to adjust the layout for clarity. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to open up Google Sheets where your data is located. Navigate to your preferred spreadsheet that contains the graph you want to modify. Once you have your sheet open, find your chart on the page. Simply click on it to make sure it's selected. This will bring focus to the chart, highlighting a border around it with some menu options. Next, look for the More Options icon. This is typically represented by 3 vertical dots located in the upper right corner of the chart. Clicking this will give you a drop-down menu with more options. From this menu, select Edit Chart, which will open up a range of customization tools on the side panel where you can adjust various elements of your chart. Now, navigate to the X-axis setting. Here, you'll have an option to select a data range. Click on it to open the data range selection box. In this dialog, specify the new range you want to use for the X-axis. For this example, let's choose cells B2 to B10, assuming your data runs in this manner. This change tells Google Sheets to use this range of data for the X-axis. After selecting your desired range, confirm your choice by clicking OK. This action updates your graph, swapping the new range into the X-axis. Now that you've set your X-axis, it's time to move on to the series, which essentially represents your Y-axis data range. Just like before, click on Series, and again you will see the option to select a data range. Then go ahead and specify the range from which you want the series to draw data. In our case, select cells A2 to A10. Once you've made your selection, click OK to confirm these changes. Your chart will now reflect these new assignments, effectively swapping the X and Y axes to reflect your updated preferences. Congratulations, you have successfully swapped the X and Y axes of your graph in Google Sheets. This method helps in rearranging your data presentation without much hassle, allowing for more dynamic and clear representation in line with your analysis needs. Remember, practicing these steps will make you more comfortable with chart customizations, enabling you to efficiently manage your data presentations in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching and happy editing.